Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a natural makeup look or updated natural makeup look, because I have done this video before and it's on my channel and on my makeup playlist. I will link it down below if you want to check that one out. So we're going to do our updated one. So I've got like loads of different types of natural makeup palettes, but today I'm going to use this one. I'm going to do way more makeup videos because I have loads that I don't use on a daily but I like to use. I'll show you all my makeup eyeshadows right now. So before we get into the actual doing the makeup, this is one drawer of my makeup all the way back there, you can't even see it. And then I've got this one has all that, and I barely used that one. I have used it but not too much that it makes it dent. Then I've got all them. So I have got quite a lot. It's probably not as much as normal makeup artists do, but I have got quite a lot. But today we are, like I said, we are using this one. This is Too Faced makeup palette. I think my sister got me this for Christmas, but I don't know if you can get it anymore, or for my birthday. And it just looks like that inside. It's so beautiful and I'm in love with it. So I'm going to just fast forward the doing this bit and like all my highlight and everything like that, because I find I used to do long videos with full face of makeup, but it was like 20 minutes long and I don't think you guys would like sit through me just doing my natural like just face, because it is just normal face product. But these are the products I will be using. So this is a primer, face primer. This is like just a shaper, it's like really used. This is my mascara. I need to get the new bigger Too Faced one. This isn't Too Faced, but I need to get the Too Faced one. And then this is Too Faced. It came in a set for Christmas and I use this bit for quite a lot. So that's primer, I don't use that. That's blusher, and then that's highlight. It's such a subtle makeup palette, even though it's like a set. This thing on its own is such a subtle makeup palette. So let's get into the time lapse of me doing just my face, and then we'll get on to the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you these two bits because they are to do with my eyes. So this is eye primer. I don't think I showed it, but this is Too Faced eye primer. Again, I got it in a Christmas pack thing, and I really want to get a new one because I am running out. So I just get this one. I use my fingers as well, but just to dab it on. I think I put too much on. Then I just dab it and check if it's all soaked down. So on to the eyeshadow. I'm going to do no, you know what I'm going to do. Well, you obviously don't because you're watching this, but I'm going to use this palette as well, the brown in it. You can see that I love that brown, but yeah, we're going to do that brown first, and then I'm going to do like darker browns and a bit of silver. What is this colour? Oh yes. So my brown eyeshadow look or natural eyeshadow look does change every day, like every time I do it. So this is just what I'm coming up with today. I'm not one of those who have like a full on normal, natural makeup look. Like, that is such a nice eyeshadow just to put on top, even if you don't want to layer it. Like, I could easily just leave it like that, but that will be stupid and will be a boring video. So we're just blending it. Okay, so that is that bit. This is what it looks like. So now we are going to, I'm actually going to use this shade. It's called All Tied Up. And we're gonna put it on my actual lid, because I normally do a gold over my browns. That's my natural look, but I don't really want to go, that feels like too over the top for me right now, like the mood that I'm in. So I'm going to do the All Tied Up, and we're going to get this brush. We're just gonna dab. That's actually giving it a nice like tint up. Yes. Now we're going to go back through it and like get more brown for it, so it looks like that. Just a little bit. So that is my eyes. It looks like this. Now on to the mascara. And now I'm going to get some lipstick. So I got this lipstick. If you all know me and watch my makeup videos, even though I don't do many, most of the lipstick I use is this one or the other shades of these. But I've got loads that I rarely wear. But I do still wear. It depends what makeup look I'm doing. But this is the lipstick I'm going for today. I did have a Tanya Burr lipstick that I used to use all the time, but it ran out. I've never been able to find that type of shade again, and she hasn't been stocking them lipsticks. They're no longer in Superdrug, so I can't get it. So that's disappointing, but now that I've got loads of other lipsticks. So this is my makeup look, my natural makeup look. I know it was not a long video, it's probably going to be like 7 minutes or something, but I find makeup videos shouldn't be that long because you're only doing your makeup. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the last and final look of the makeup. But I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, hit subscribe. I do fashion, beauty and sometimes lifestyle. More fashion and beauty, but I do mix a bit of lifestyle in my videos. So if you want to get to know me and get fashion tips and see how I do my makeup or my skincare and everything like that, hit subscribe, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.